This is going to be look number 2 with the ColourPop Honey palette. Fingers crossed I don't run into as many issues with my camera being out of focus and I can get this done in one sitting. So today I want to try using Buzzkill to create some kind of lined shape on my eye, and then I'm not totally sure where I want to go from there. I'll just kind of wing it. So let's get started with that. I'm going to use a brush like this, something kind of dense, not an eyeliner brush, but something small and narrow that I can pack a lot of color in a small area. And now I'm going to go in with BEEHAVE. And I'm going to put that like on the inside of this line. And I'm going to start on the outer part of the eye. I don't know how far in I'm going to take it. I'm going to go back in with Buzzkill on the lower lash line with a pencil brush. I'm not sure what I want to do with this whole like inner part of my lid. Kind of stuck on what to do with that. For now I'm going to use Totally BUGGIN. I'm going to put that here on the lower outer part of my eye. I kind of want to use Buzzkill in a different area. I'm going to try that. Okay, I was just using the same brush that I used to create that shape. And I'm going to switch to a small fluffy brush with the same shade. I'm just going to take a light nude eyeshadow, this like a yellow toned eyeshadow. This is Coconut from Ulta. I don't know if they still make this shade. And I'm going to take an angled brush first with this, and I want to clean up the edge here. And then I'm going to take this small fluffy brush again, and I'll put that here in the inner corner. And I'm going to use Dandy, I guess. Like, I'm not really sure. I didn't really want to use the shimmers today, but I don't know. Should I use the shimmer? Might as well. Okay, I'm going to go into the shade PALOOZA. It's a pressed glitter. And I think I'm going to put that on the inner corner. And I'm not sure where else. This glitter kind of sticks. It does stick, but I mean it sticks. Once you get it set on the skin, it's hard to move it. So I'm trying to use the brush to kind of push it outward from where I initially placed it. And then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. This is Late Night from Ulta. And I want to add some depth here on the outer corner. And I think I'm just gonna leave it there. I feel like I could do more with it, but I don't really know what I want to do with it, so maybe the next one will be a little bit better.